Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have a Telegram channel and admin rights. Now get the bot token from Bot Father and keep it safe. Once done, add the bot as a channel administrator or invite it, because bots need admin post permission to send messages. Make sure your environment has Python or Node. JS installed, and you can run scripts. You will use the token and channel identifier to authorize API calls, so verify connectivity, and that ports or firewalls won't block outbound HTTPS requests before moving on. You will now confirm authorization and test a message. First, add the bot to the channel and grant post messages, then determine the channel identifier. Use the @username or the -100. Numeric ID returned by API. Next, run a test send message using your token. This proves auth and helps reveal the correct chat ID. If you choose webhooks, set an HTTPS endpoint and register it with set webhook. If not, enable long polling on your server. Finally, validate headers and SSL when using webhooks. You deploy the bot, passing the token and channel ID as environment variables, and start the process with logging enabled so you can watch send message calls. Once running, monitor deliveries. Use get webhook info or watch polling output. If messages fail, the API returns error codes you can act on. If issues persist, recheck admin status, confirm you used the -100. Channel ID versus username, and ensure your webhook uses valid SSL and an open port. If needed, restart the bot and retry a single test message.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.